Right, so here is our finished product of our meatballs. I just recently pulled those out. I kind of had them sitting in the oven a little bit too long. As you can kind of tell, the gravy that was in here has cooled down. So, and I'm glad to see that our meatballs did not, you know, explode too much. So we're going to go ahead and allow this to cool down a little bit more. In the midst of all of our meatballs cooking, we have mashed potatoes, buttered mashed potatoes. Let me go ahead and finish stirring this up a little bit more. These are actual real potatoes with milk and butter, a little salt and pepper. So this meal, you guys, alone was under $15. So again, I understand we are all, you know, balling on a budget. The way life is just set up, right? So if you're wanting to create you a meal for you or even a party of two, this entire meal, less than $15, and you should be able to feed yourself maybe 2-3 days in this. You know, if you're eating maybe once a day, and or if you're just eating, you know, let's say dinner today, you're going to take you some lunch tomorrow and have dinner the next day. If you're feeding two, then you'll be able to, you know, at least have dinner today for two, and then, you know, dinner tomorrow, depending on how your life is set up, didn't it? But again, I will be showing the final product together, and I will also cut open the stuffed meatballs.